Alright guys, right here we're changing my battery on my 2011 Chevrolet Suburban. I was going to go ahead and do it. My daughter wanted to try to do it, so I went ahead and let her help me do it. I try to show her how to do as much stuff as I can. And of course, I had to go to Walmart and get the battery replacement. That's where I usually go and pick up my Walmart batteries or whatnot. And not Walmart batteries, but my batteries for my vehicles, as far as the regular one that runs the truck. This time I got like the 1 year warranty or whatever it was. That usually lasts a good little while, and then I'd be good. Of course, they had the 1 year and the 2 year and the 3 year. I think they had one even longer before this, but I can't even remember. But they kind of took some of them away. But anyway, man, I just try to teach her how to do as much as you can. Of course, I ain't gonna talk this whole 3 minutes. I'm gonna try not to, but I guess that ain't really that long. But anyway, it's like I said, it was just a quick little thing we were doing, and had to take off the brackets on the side. And of course, y'all know the job is not done unless you lose something. So that's what happened. We lost a bolt to go to the top, bracket up there to hold over the battery over the top. There's like 4 bolts. I'll pick up another at a salvage yard when I go back on my next trip, or I'll probably run across this. Ain't no telling. I don't even know where I put it. I done lost so much stuff here lately. I don't know what's going on, but I'll find it hopefully here pretty soon. But yeah, it's not gonna really make or break nothing if I don't have that one bolt where where I got that at. But I got that on there, and then I'm gonna try to get everything. I'm about to put some more top post terminals on the battery, but other than that, everything went right back on. We had been just gambling with the battery for the longest. I didn't really feel like going to Walmart and pick up the battery, what it really was. But it's kind of like one of them deals where you can drive it and it would recharge and you would be good for a couple of days. Then it would go dead when it get cold. So I already knew it was bad once I got it tested and everything. And we got it back going and everything is good. So we're good to go. And like I said, this vehicle sits until it's time to go. So everything is good here. And I'll see y'all back on the next one, man. It's just a quick DIY daddy-daughter DIY deal. And we always got some kind of little projects we got going on. And she always want to help, so that way she'll know how to do it. Change tires, change brakes, we do the whole 9. So just a quick video, man. We ain't doing much. Just be sure to like, subscribe, and we'll be see y'all back on the next daddy daughter DIY job, I guess. Thank y'all for tuning in.